Okay, ladies, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here in this bathroom. This is the downstairs bathroom. This is the bathroom we use the most. So there it is. It's not really that dirty because I try to clean it at least every other day. But I do notice that the mirror looks like it's been splashed on, and I already put some Dawn dish soap in the toilet because I don't like to use too many harsh products. And we don't use the tub. And here's my son's potty. So this is what it looks like. And I really haven't done much to this bathroom. We've only been in this new house for about a month, and a lot has happened. So I really haven't done much to this bathroom. So it just has a plant, and then I put this fake orchid here, and it only has like a dish soap, hand soap, and yeah, I had some paper towels here because where we live we still can't get toilet paper. And if you guys hear an echo, it's because I really don't have much stuff in here. So this is what it looks like, and you'll see me cleaning it. So it's heavy. So this is what I do. I'll start with some of these Lysol dual action wipes. I like these, but they have like this little harsh, like I don't know what they are, but they're purple, and sometimes they do stain this kind of sink because they've stained the tub upstairs. So I have to hold the camera in order to show you guys how I'm going to do it. So this is what I do. I already put some Dawn soap, and then I'll spray the handles with some of this. And this is, it's called, oh my goodness. It's an all-purpose antibacterial, Mr. Clean. And it smells pretty good. It's the citrus scent. And what I do is I just put a little bit of that cleaning solution because it is pretty strong, and you have to add water to it. So this is the way I do it. Definitely get on the handles because that's what is usually get rid of all these things up here. I don't like to have anything here. Just to have everything clean. Get in there. And then I'll show you guys the finished product because this camera is pretty heavy. And then I'll show you guys the finished product, how it looks. Okay, this is how the bathroom looks. Super clean, smells really nice in here. That Mr. Clean disinfectant is a citrus scent, and it smells pretty good. So there's the mirror, so nice and clean, and my sink, super shiny, and already disinfected the doorknobs. That's super important. Everything people touch, and it's just us three here, so I still have to disinfect everything because this is the bathroom my son uses as well, like to wash his hands. And yeah, that's already cleaned it downstairs, and that's it. I just hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how my kitchen looks. I cleaned my dining room. This is what it looks like from this angle. Here's my dining room, baby's chair, my kitchen. It's all clean. Dishes are washed. Countertops are clean. So this is what it looks like. And I tell you guys, we've been here only a month. And we really don't have decorations. Really don't have a lot because a lot has gone on.